Hey, what's going on YouTube? Tab back with another video. And today I want to talk about how keto diet is a lot like blogging. See, if you look at my past YouTube videos, I've done some keto videos. I've been doing keto for the past 6 months now, almost half a year. And how it transitions to making money online on blogging. See, when I first started keto, I didn't have a clue what I was doing. I didn't know what I was doing. And if you don't know what keto is, keto, in short version is, a low carbohydrate diet. You eat low carbs, no sugar, and no pasta, crackers, bread, cookies, none of that stuff. You eat a very low carbohydrate diet every day. And in the beginning, I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know what I was eating. I didn't know what to eat. I didn't know how to eat it. In the first beginning, in the same way when I did my blog, I didn't know what to write about. I didn't know how it would come across. I didn't know. The way I blog now is way different. I blog 6 months ago. The same way I did with keto diet, the same way I do with keto diet is way different I do it now. And the more I did keto, the more I ate low carb food, the better I felt. And the same with blogging, the more I blog, the better the blog was, the better everything was going good with the blog. With keto or any diet or exercise, you have to constantly do it. You can't do keto for 2 months and then eat what you've been eating. It's a defeat the purpose of doing the keto diet. It's a defeat the purpose of dieting in general. So if you look at weight loss, if you do weight loss for a year, you could just think back where you were 6 or 12 months ago to where you are now. It's a big change. The way I blogged 3-4 months ago is way different where I blog now. 3-4 months ago, I wasn't marketing my blog. I wasn't using Pinterest or Reddit or LinkedIn or whatever. I wasn't using those things back then, but now I am. So I changed the way I've done things. My thumbnails are totally different than it is today that it was 6 months ago. I changed the way I blog. I changed the way I did things. I changed my video. I'm doing a video a day. Every day I do a video a day, talking about motivation, how to make money online, and how you have to keep plugging along. And keto's the same way. You have to continue to eat these low carb foods for a long period of time. And on this keto diet, I've been doing it for 6 months. I haven't weighed myself at all, but I'm down in pant size. I was a size 40, now I'm a size 38. My wedding ring fits better, way better now. Cause I bought a bigger ring because I gained so much weight. I had to get a bigger ring because my wedding ring was just too big for me. Well, my hand was too big for the ring. And I got fit my wedding ring now. I'm down to a pant size. I'm up to wear a size 38 waist now, and I'm feeling great. I have more energy now. I'm not dragging through work. I'm eating better foods. I'm not eating no junk food and candies and cookies and all the other stuff. Any bad foods that just make you feel terrible after you eat it. I'm feeling way better. And that took time for me to get to. Now I eat pretty much one meal a day if I really wanted to. But back then, when I first started, I couldn't do it. I had to train my body, keep doing it, and eventually I get to a point where I could fast on a weekend. I could eat one meal a day. I could eat a meal on Saturday around 4 o'clock and don't eat again till 6 o'clock on Sunday in the afternoon. I keep doing keto. I keep eating low carb foods, keep eating the food, keep doing the diet, and it pays off. So anything you do in life, it pays off. The more you do something every day, the easier it becomes and the better it becomes. Any diet you do, if you do it long enough, you lose some weight. If you work out 3 times a day and watch what you eat, you lose some weight. But working out, you gotta do it consistently. Now, I don't go to the gym and work out. I haven't been in the gym in over 6 months because we had our newborn, and that takes a lot of my time. I go straight home after work. I don't have time to go work out. So in the meantime, me not working out, I gotta get myself on a diet where I can still lose weight and spend time with him. That's where the keto diet came into play. So I had to learn keto. I had to learn how to do these things. And the same blogging, I need a side business online that I could work part-time from home. That I don't have to leave my house for 4 or 5 hours and come back home and work a part-time job. I need something at home. It's you know, not easy, but at home, part-time, 10 hours a week. I could do this while everyone's asleep. I could do this while everyone's asleep in the morning, at nighttime. I need something I could do part-time and build something. And a blog is one. A YouTube channel is one. I do a video in my car. I can do a video at home. I can write a blog post on my cell phone. I can write a blog post at home while I'm holding him. That's the perfect business for me. So I got the perfect diet. I don't have time to go to the gym. Gym, you might be there 45 minutes to an hour, but you got to go to the gym, change clothes. You know, you got to work out for an hour. Then you got to, you know, go home, take a shower, and then before you know it, it's time to go to bed. Before you know it, I work 9 to 5, so it's hard for me to do it. Go to the gym. So I said I'm going on a diet that I can lose weight and still have time for family, and the keto diet. I wanted a business. I wanted something. I wanted a second and third income from home. I want to do this at home. I didn't want to work a part-time job. No, I want to do this at home in my free time. I could do this in my car. I could do this at home, and the blog and the YouTube channel are both of those businesses. So really, if anybody who wants to go on a good diet, anybody who has 9 to 5 and they want to go on a good diet, they want to lose weight, don't have time to go to the gym, they want a second or third income stream, make some money, keto and blogging and YouTube channel would be the perfect thing to do. Below the video, I have a link to a keto book from Amazon you can check out. I also have a link to a program you want to learn how to start blogging and make money online. I have a program to that as well below the video. But also go to my blog for more information about how to make money online and how to do certain things, how to have a good mindset. Because you know, I had that really bad mindset before that I couldn't make it because it takes so long. But anything you do in life, it takes time. Anything you do in life, it takes time. So anybody who wants a good diet so you help you lose weight and you don't have time to work out because you got family and kids and spouse, do the keto diet. Check it out. Low carbohydrate diet. I lost weight. I haven't been in the gym that one time. And to tell you the truth, I lost more weight doing the keto diet versus going to the gym 3 times a week. Because before my son was born, I was going to the gym 3 times a week, twice a week. I ain't losing no weight. But then the keto diet, I lost weight. And you're looking for a diet, lose weight, try keto, and do it for a year. Do it for 6 months. Do it for 6 months, see how you feel. And you want to start a second or third income or have another business, start a blog, start a YouTube channel, and keep working at it, keep plugging along like your keto diet. So that's the end of my video. Like I said, I'll link to the keto book down below. And you want to start a YouTube channel, I have a program for that, and you want to start making more online and get some free coaching, I have a program where you get some free, you get a free affiliate training to learn how to make money online. I have that below the video as well, below this video. So check it out. Visit my blog. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. It helps me out. And I'll see you next time.